Welcome to our 5 Minutes Learning YouTube channel. Today, let's explore how Sony, a humble repair shop born out of post-World War II chaos, transformed into a global powerhouse of innovation and technology. Did you know that Sony boasts a staggering 95,533 patents, with 78% of them active? Despite its current stature, Sony's journey to success was anything but smooth. Let's dive into the fascinating story of how Sony navigated through challenges, failures, and triumphs to become a symbol of innovation and resilience in the electronics industry. Sony's origins can be traced back to the aftermath of World War II in Minato, Tokyo, where it started as a small radio repair shop under a different name. Despite humble beginnings, Sony's founders, Akio Morita and Masaru Ibuka, were determined to carve out a path to success in the midst of uncertainty. The partnership between Morita, a weapons researcher, and Ibuka, a Navy lieutenant, began to take shape after their military careers ended with the conclusion of World War II. In 1946, Ibuka started repairing radios in a small workshop, laying the groundwork for what would become Sony. The pivotal moment arrived when Ibuka's team identified a market gap: shortwave converters. With Japan hungry for information post-war, Ibuka capitalized on the demand by creating converters that provided access to regular radio channels. This innovation caught the attention of Morita, leading to a partnership fueled by a shared vision of conquering the world of consumer electronics. However, Sony's journey faced setbacks from the start. Their first official product, an electric rice cooker, failed miserably, followed by unsuccessful attempts at electrically heated cushions. Despite these setbacks, Morita and Ibuka persisted, driven by a relentless pursuit of innovation. Join us as we unravel the twists and turns of Sony's evolution, from its humble beginnings to becoming a trailblazer in the world of consumer electronics. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into Sony's pivots, breakthroughs, and the factors that propelled it to become an ultimate success story in the realm of innovation and technology. Journey from struggles to triumphs. Welcome back to our exploration of Sony's remarkable journey from humble beginnings to global prominence in the realm of electronics. As we delve deeper into Sony's evolution, we uncover the pivotal moments and innovative strategies that propelled the company to unprecedented heights. The early years for the TTK team were fraught with challenges: minimal capital, limited resources, and a string of product failures. Despite setbacks, TTK's adaptive approach kept them vigilant for new opportunities, showcasing their ability to understand consumer needs and innovate under constraints. Just as Thomas Edison persevered through countless failures, Ibuka and Morita's journey with Sony echoed the sentiment. The initial setbacks with household appliances like rice cookers and heated cushions paved the way for a breakthrough in the form of a tape recorder in the 1950s. TTK's pivot towards electronic items led to the creation of tape recorders tailored for industrial and household use. Leveraging a U.S. military booklet, Ibuka devised a clever marketing strategy, fueling demand and propelling TTK's sales to new heights. This success marked the beginning of Sony's ascent in the electronics market. Ibuka's foresight led Sony to capitalize on the emerging transistor technology in 1952. Despite financial risks, the company invested in the technology, enhancing its capabilities to create Japan's first transistor radio, the TR-55. This innovation revolutionized the consumer electronics landscape, establishing Sony as a pioneering force in the industry. As Sony's TR-55 transistor radio gained acclaim, it set the stage for the company's expansion beyond Japan's borders. However, penetrating the American market presented a formidable challenge for Morita and Ibuka. Despite their superior product quality, they encountered resistance due to the unfamiliarity and complexity of the Totsuken name. The birth of Sony. Faced with declining sales and the need for a more accessible brand identity, Morita and Ibuka embarked on a pivotal decision: to rebrand their company. The transformation culminated in the birth of Sony, derived from the Latin word sonus, meaning sound. The name change not only reflected the company's core business of radios but also resonated with Japanese culture, evoking the spirit of innovation embodied by the term sun. In 1955, Sony unveiled its new logo, marking a significant milestone in the company's history. The adoption of Sony as its moniker symbolized a strategic shift towards a global identity, poised to transcend geographical boundaries and establish itself as a leading player in the world of consumer electronics. The impact of branding. The transition to Sony proved instrumental in reshaping the company's trajectory. With a simplified, memorable name and a distinct brand identity, Sony transcended linguistic barriers and captured the imagination of consumers worldwide. The resonance of the Sony brand, both linguistically and culturally, paved the way for unprecedented growth and market penetration. The adoption of Sony not only represented a strategic branding decision but also encapsulated the essence of the company's vision, to harness the power of innovation and deliver cutting-edge technology that resonated with consumers on a global scale. Sony's evolution. From pocket radios to digital music dominance. Sony's journey exemplifies the power of customer-centric innovation and adaptive branding strategies. While their early tape recorders and transistor radios showcased groundbreaking technology, their success was not assured without effective marketing and customer engagement. Recognizing the importance of customer connection, Sony revamped its marketing approach to resonate with diverse demographics. By simplifying its brand name and highlighting the practical benefits of its products through creative advertising, Sony enhanced its appeal and expanded its consumer base. In the realm of business, diversification often emerges as a pivotal strategy for sustained growth and market leadership. Sony's founders, Morita and Ibuka, recognized the significance of expanding their product portfolio to achieve greater market relevance and profitability. Following in the footsteps of global conglomerates like Panasonic, Apple, Microsoft, and Nestlé, Sony embarked on a trajectory of diversification, introducing a diverse array of innovative products that transcended traditional boundaries. This strategic approach propelled Sony into a global powerhouse, reshaping the landscape of consumer electronics. Sony's innovation prowess was epitomized by the introduction of the TR-63 pocket radio, a compact, portable device that revolutionized the audio industry. Despite initial distribution challenges, Sony's agile response to consumer feedback and its meticulous attention to detail propelled the TR-63 to unprecedented success. Notably, Sony's commitment to customer satisfaction was exemplified by its willingness to customize sales staff pockets to accommodate the slightly larger than expected radios, a testament to Sony's unwavering dedication to meeting consumer needs. Building upon its success in the radio sector, Sony ventured into television production with groundbreaking offerings like the TV8301 and the iconic Trinitron series. These innovations revolutionized the viewing experience, offering consumers unparalleled picture quality and portability. Sony's forward-thinking approach to media technology positioned it as an industry leader, capturing the imagination of consumers worldwide and solidifying its reputation as a pioneer in the digital entertainment landscape. Sony's foray into the music industry marked a transformative chapter in its history, culminating in the formation of CBS Sony Records and the introduction of groundbreaking technologies like the video cassette recorder, VCR. Guided by visionary leaders like Norio Oga, Sony's strategic collaborations and relentless pursuit of excellence propelled it to the forefront of the music publishing industry. Sony's Innovation Odyssey. In a bid to revolutionize home entertainment, Sony forged a partnership with Matsushita Electric, now Panasonic, to develop a videocassette format in 1969. However, the venture proved short-lived due to the high cost of the product and subsequent lack of sales, leading to the dissolution of the partnership. Undeterred, both companies continued to pursue their respective formats, setting the stage for one of the most intense format wars in history. Sony introduced Betamax in 1975, boasting superior quality and recording capabilities of up to 1 hour. Despite its technological prowess, Betamax faced stiff competition from Matsushita's VHS format, which leveraged lower costs and the established clientele of Matsushita to dominate the market. In response to the overwhelming success of VHS, Sony adapted its strategy by producing VHS machines, showcasing its agility and willingness to adapt in the face of fierce competition. Just when one might think Sony had exhausted its capacity for innovation, the company surprised the world yet again with the introduction of the Walkman, a portable stereo cassette player that would redefine personal audio consumption. The inception of the Walkman stemmed from Norio Oga's simple desire to enjoy music while on the move. Inspired by this vision, Sony's research and development team swiftly translated the concept into reality, culminating in the release of the Walkman on July 1, 1979. With its compact design and high-quality sound, the Walkman captured the imagination of consumers worldwide, selling over 385 million units and transforming the way people listen to music. Despite its premium price tag of $150, the Walkman's unparalleled convenience and innovative design propelled it to unprecedented success, cementing its status as an iconic cultural phenomenon. Sony's relentless pursuit of innovation and commitment to meeting consumer needs underscored the company's ability to anticipate and capitalize on emerging trends, solidifying its reputation as a trailblazer in the realm of consumer electronics. In collaboration with Philips, Sony spearheaded the transition to digital music with the introduction of the compact disc, CD, and CD player in 1982. This groundbreaking innovation heralded a new era in audio technology, offering consumers unparalleled sound quality and convenience. The acquisition of Columbia Pictures Entertainment in 1989 marked Sony's entry into the film industry, a strategic move that expanded its presence in the entertainment sector. Despite initial financial challenges, Sony's investment in Columbia Pictures provided access to a vast film library and solidified its position as a major player in the global entertainment landscape. With blockbuster releases such as The Da Vinci Code, Skyfall, and the Spider-Man series, Sony's foray into filmmaking underscored its commitment to diversification and innovation across diverse industries. Sony's diversification journey. By the end of the 1980s, Sony had solidified its position in various markets, including music, and boasted a robust research and development division, consuming 9% of its sales. The company recorded substantial earnings of $384 million in 1990, marking a significant 35% increase from the previous year. However, the early 90s recession posed challenges that tested Sony's entrepreneurial resilience. Venturing into the realm of video gaming in the late 80s, Sony initially collaborated with Nintendo. When the partnership dissolved in 1992, Sony pressed on independently. Just 2 years later, in 1994, Sony launched the PlayStation in Japan, marking the beginning of a gaming revolution. The console achieved immediate success, selling over 100,000 units on the first day and approximately 2 million within the first 6 months. The subsequent release in the US further fueled its success. Despite the passing of co-founder Akio Morita in 1999, Sony's innovation persisted, with the PlayStation 2 becoming a major hit in 2000. To date, the PlayStation series has sold nearly 158 million units, with ongoing advancements like the introduction of virtual reality and the current PlayStation 5. In 2001, Sony set its sights on conquering the mobile market by partnering with Ericsson to establish Sony Ericsson. Their initial product, the T65, received positive feedback. However, in 2012, Sony bought Ericsson's share, renaming it Sony Mobile Communications and entering the smartphone industry with the Sony Xperia. Despite a promising start, Sony struggled to maintain a significant presence in the mobile market, facing declining sales and diminished visibility today. In an unexpected move in 2001, Sony ventured into the financial sector by establishing the Sony Bank. Akio Morita's vision from the 1950s materialized, reflecting his fascination with the Prudential Building in the U.S. The online bank engages in deposits, foreign exchange trading, and other financial services, contributing to Sony's revenue stream. Staying true to its innovative spirit, Sony introduced the world's first organic light-emitting diode, OLED, television in 2007, named the XEL-1. This TV, one of the thinnest at the time, offered superior picture quality, lower energy consumption, and lightweight design. It garnered positive reviews and achieved global sales, reaching regions like Canada, Russia, Australia, Europe, and the US. Building on this success, Sony later released ultra-high-definition TVs, 4K, with exceptional pixel quality. Conclusion. Sony's journey from humble beginnings to global prominence is a testament to its adaptability, customer-centric approach, innovation, and risk-taking ethos. Reflecting on Sony's inspirational trajectory offers invaluable lessons for entrepreneurs and businesses alike. 1. Adaptability. Sony's evolution from a small workshop to an industry giant underscores the importance of adaptability. Confronted with resource constraints and numerous setbacks, Sony embraced change rather than succumbing to adversity. Whether pivoting product lines, refining marketing strategies, or rebranding, Sony remained agile, steadily progressing from modest beginnings to global prominence. 2. Product innovation. Sony's success hinges on creating value in the customer's mind. Through innovative marketing strategies and customer-centric approaches, Sony transformed initially overlooked products into market sensations. By educating and enticing consumers about the benefits of its offerings, Sony effectively communicated its unique value proposition, fostering enduring customer loyalty and market dominance. 3. Creativity and innovation. Innovation lies at the heart of Sony's success story. From pioneering gadgets like the Walkman to groundbreaking technologies like the PlayStation, Sony consistently anticipated and fulfilled consumer needs before they were fully articulated. By fostering a culture of creativity and innovation, Sony not only captured market share but also reshaped entire industries, leaving an indelible mark on the global marketplace. 4. Taking risk. Sony's willingness to take calculated risks and diversify its portfolio underscores its strategic foresight. By venturing into diverse sectors such as gaming, films, and financial services, Sony mitigated the risk of over-reliance on any single market segment. This strategic diversification not only fueled growth but also ensured resilience against market shocks and evolving consumer preferences. 5. Looking ahead. Sony's strategic investments in emerging trends like anime streaming and digital entertainment platforms demonstrate its forward-thinking approach. By staying attuned to evolving consumer demands and technological advancements, Sony remains poised for sustained growth and relevance in an ever-changing marketplace. In essence, Sony's journey encapsulates the essence of entrepreneurial success: adaptability, customer centricity, innovation, and calculated risk-taking. As businesses navigate the complexities of the modern marketplace, Sony's timeless lessons serve as a guiding beacon for achieving enduring success and market leadership.